reputable, top class, and they give you proper service. We're talking about Premier Auto Service eCAR. We got Mr. Yugan Munsamy once again in the studio. Nice to have you, brother. How was your weekend?
Excellent.
Excellent. Your weekend is always excellent.
Always.
What are you up to?
This week I went for the Sam Smith concert. So that was why it was super excellent.
I officially don't like you.
All right, let's get started on the liking part. Who is Mr. Yugan Munsamy?
It's the guy who went to Sam Smith's concert.
Apart from that, lucky break. Now, look, I've been in the motor industry for many years, and obviously that question would be more inclined to understand my role in the motor industry. I've been working in the motor industry for the past 20 years, and apart from being a qualified technician, for BMW technician myself, I worked in various senior positions in motor manufacturers, so the BMW and General Motors South Africa.
Okay.
So in my last assignment, I was a marketing product manager for Isuzu, and we all know Isuzu is a household brand in the country. And that's me in terms of my experience in the motor industry. But what I'm passionate about is people. And I'm passionate about the people behind the cars, and that's why we established the service center. We established a service center to serve the community and to look after people and give them great service.
All right, so why should people come to Premium Auto Service eCAR instead of going elsewhere? What is it that makes you stand out?
I think for us, it's our team's passion to see happy customers. That's number one. Mm-hmm. It's also to deliver honest service. So we established it to compete with the dealerships head on, because we know dealers take advantage of customers, especially when the vehicles are out of warranty. Okay, that's their opportunity to charge, and they make no qualms about that. We're there to assist customers when their vehicles are out of warranty, it gets older, things get expensive. We're there to save them.
All right, so what type of cars do you service? And is it petrol, diesel? What exactly? Cars, buggies, bicycles? No, kidding.
We've had a few motorbikes through the shop and a go-kart. But more especially, we service petrol and diesel vehicles. Okay, all types of vehicles, from your little Honda i10s all the way to big trucks, especially Isuzu trucks. But more especially petrol, diesel. We've also service and repair a couple of fire brigades for some government departments.
Okay.
So we're quite versatile in specialized vehicles as well as normal cars and buggies.
Okay, so do you specialize in any certain brands per se?
Okay, so we service all brands and we repair all brands, but we're more partial towards the General Motors brands, the Opel, Isuzu and Chevrolet vehicles. We have a very strong team that come from the dealerships that that represent those brands, as well as the fact that we've got my experience behind those brands in terms of us supporting our customers that drive those cars. The other thing as well is that General Motors is no longer in the country, so they don't support their product, and the customers that own those vehicles, we feel sorry for them.
So basically, we know that people buy people. So first they'll buy into your company because of you. So what type of clientele would you say that you guys have, or that you aspire to actually get?
We aspire to get the man on the street. That's our core focus in terms of helping the community, because they're the best individuals that represent the community. But we also look after, we service and repair vehicles that belong to small businesses as well as large companies. We focus a lot on small business vehicles because these are small businesses that rely on affordable servicing and quality repairs.
So we know that you kind of offered, or rather gave them like some of your premium service, and you can't shut up about that. So maybe if you can just tell us, about your team of employees. How is it? How do you guys work as a team? What is your main mission?
Okay, so in our company, it's really teamwork that makes the dream work. We have technicians that have been qualified at dealerships, and they have the knowledge and abilities to fix and repair vehicles effectively. They also work together, understanding that the common goal is a happy customer and a repeat customer, somebody that's able to come back to our business and refer us. So that's the team that we have. We have a few individuals in there that stand out in terms of who customers will meet, like Colin and Maurice. They are service advisors, so they're the face of the company literally. And our customers, as they walk through the door, will meet these gentlemen and obviously get presented with a very affordable quotes, a big smile, a hot cup of coffee, and we fix their cars.
Amazing stuff. So we know that we're heading to the Easters very soon, and people are going to be traveling, so they have to service their cars. What are the main things that they can actually look at in their cars just to make sure that they can travel with their vehicles, and what are some of the specials that you guys have?
Okay, so in terms of Easter coming up, we know people like to go away and travel long distances. Before one travels long distances, it's very important to get their cars checked. Okay, items such as your tires, your brakes, your windscreen wipers, your fan belts are wear and tear items. They're constantly working in the vehicle and they could fail at any given time. So before they embark on a long journey, come visit us at Premier Auto Services. We will give them a free safety inspection. We will check the vehicle out for them, make sure it's safe, and let them know if there's any defects that they need to get repaired before they leave.
All right, thank you so much. It's always a pleasure to have you.
Thank you, guys.
Yugan, next time you go to a concert without inviting us. I'm bitter about this, ne?
Here you are.
Sorry, guys, the ticket was given to me as by one of my customers.
Oh, okay. Happy customers. See, don't forget that you can get them at 1415 Crescent Road, not Coast Road. That's near the Bluff Meet. Or actually contact them on 031 569 6939 or Yugan's mobile number.
Yes, give it out, give it out.
Oh, wow, okay. 082 416 54178 or simply WhatsApp on 082 416 54178.
It's time for a new